In this video, we will discuss programming the electric motor type on a CP5i control pad. Begin by pressing the Options menu button. Enter the Settings menu. Scroll down to Equipment. Then to Delivery. Select Holder Configuration. Withdraw the handpiece you would like to reprogram. Scroll down to Adjust Settings. Scroll down to Motor. Use the up and down arrows to change the motor type. Press Select to save the selection. Return the handpiece to the holder and use the chair icon to exit the menu and return to the main screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.